The devious and mysterious presence of the fox mirrors our journey through life, reminding us of the art of flexibility in ever-changing landscape. The fox's keen senses encourages us to trust our intuition and listen closely to the whispers of our hearts. It reminds us to embrace our cleverness and problem-solving ability, especially when faced with challenges. The fox teaches us to delicately balance between independence and connection, reminding us that while self-reliance is essential, so is forging meaningful relationships with others. Ultimately, the fox invites us to blend wisdom, cunningness, and adaptability into our daily lives. It encourages us to trust our instincts, value our uniqueness, and find harmony between independence and community. Let the spirit of the fox accompany you on your journey and embrace your cleverness as you navigate life's twists and turns with grace and resourcefulness.